It's a screencast of a speed test as well as a traffic graph for Taylor Elementary School. I've got the traffic graph running over here. Just normal operation at 11:02 a.m. Mountain Standard Time. And over here I'm using speedtest.net and pingtest.net. I'm just going to run a speed test from a server in Grande Prairie, Alberta. This will do a ping as well as an upload and a download. When that's finished, I'll run a ping test for the same server. See the IP that it's connecting to in the bottom left hand corner. And this school is supposed to be an 8 meg Shaw cable line that's tunneled back to VIC R011. The site is TAYRS003. Okay, so it's listed a download speed of 0.28 megabits per second and an upload of 0.19. Do a ping test into Grande Prairie. And the Bell technician was in to look at our modem, even though it's a Shaw service. They'd subcontracted through Bell, said the modem is set to 8 meg down and either 7.5 down or 8 meg down and half a meg up. Sorry, 7.6 meg down and half meg up. The Bell Tech, when they used it to connect to the outside, had no problem connecting at the speed that it was listed at. So that gives us a grade on our ping test. And just for a last check here, we'll go to YouTube and just see how it affects the traffic graph. Over on our traffic graph, our red lines are in, and our black lines are out. See on the traffic graph, it sort of maxes out at 0.5 is what we'd expect according to the modem. But our red should max out well higher than what it is there. So if I just look at a video, you can see that our in red line spikes, but then it drops back down. If this were the only computer working in the school right now, you should expect this to spike as much as possible to the top of the bandwidth that it could use, which should be into the 2 or 3 on an 8 meg connection, but it just sits around 0.5. for some reason. So that's a look at the traffic graph for Taylor.